Yeah, 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 yeah.
Sak Fait, moun yo, Sak Pasé. Non mwen seke, mwen bien kontan, jodi yo vin la. Jodi a son jou espesyal. Jou sa, nap celebre drapeau haïtien. Hello, how are you again? This is Kate. Thank you. Welcome. Today's going to be a very special tutorial. It's just going to be me doing some really nice makeup. It's to celebrate my culture. If you guys don't know, and probably a lot of you guys don't, but the people that know me, I'm Haitian. Yes, I am Haitian. Yes, tatted on my chest. I'm a Zoe. I was born in Florida. However, my parents are from Haiti, and so I am Haitian descent. Yeah, and I am extremely proud. January 1st, 1804. Don't get it twisted. We are the first Black nation in the Caribbean to free from slavery. Right now, I guess you guys already see that I've already done my base. I've done my makeup because I am going to try something I've never done before ever in my whole entire life. I am actually going to try to do some editorial art representing Haitian Flag Day. This is going to be really meaningful, and I'm excited. I've never done this. I am again going to push the boundaries to see what I'm capable of doing as far as my artistic creativity. So if you guys want to see this look, stay tuned, relax, and enjoy. All right? Okay, on va traiter. Who got it? Who got it? Mettez maquillage. Who va traiter? Pas problem. No, va traiter. Okay, so I am gonna use this ColourPop Blue Moon palette because it has mostly blues in it. Again, you know, you guys, I say I love ColourPop. Oh, I'm gonna be using Clued In from this palette and go from there. It's gonna look, but your girl's gonna try. So you guys, this is how it's looking so far, and I did not practice this, so just hoping for the best. I'm going to use this face paint pen to do the red portion of this on my face. So I hope it works out because I'm trying to, you know, make the map. So here we go, you guys. So and then I'm just gonna take a brush, and it looks crazy now, but y'all trust the process. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. I'm gonna use some face paint that I got because I want the color to be a little more vibrant and opaque. So here we go. I'm gonna use NYX eyeshadow base with Pearl. I'm not sure if they still sell these. You might want to look on NYX website, but I've had this for quite some time, so I think I'm gonna use that for the white. Is it? Basically, you know, go with the flow. I'm trying to mimic the country and somewhat, you know, I mean, in the flag. So this is the best I can do, y'all. I just took this eyeshadow from the same palette. It has blues, but it meshes in with the blue right here. So I'm just in a shimmer. So I'm gonna just use that. Okay, so here it is. I am gonna try to set this with a little bit of translucent powder. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm gonna do it. Again, I look so crazy right now, but again, just trust in the process. Just trust in the process. Studio Fix, as you guys know. Just want to diffuse it a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette and basically take, you know, this color here. some glitter glue. I purchased these from Amazon a few days ago. So it's gonna add and bring the look together, because I know right now it looks all chaotic, but you know, like I said, it's my first time doing this, so give me credit, you guys. Give me credit. Y'all see this? Y'all don't see the highlight. Y'all don't see that. I also got these body jewelry that I'm gonna use as well with this look, so wish me luck, you guys. Blood, sweat, and tears. I got this adhesive glue from Amazon, and I'm actually gonna apply that to the areas that I want and add some chunky glitter onto that. Looks yeah, I'm just gonna do the other eye because this is a lot. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is crazy. All right. What do you think? Oh my goodness! What do you guys think? What do you think? How does it look? I tried, you guys. I did try my very best, and I think I did a great job. I think I did. You think I did? I think I did. But I had to represent Haitian Flag Day. Pour moun mwen yo deyo, pour moun Haitien mwen yo deyo. I had to represent. Okay, I had to. Y'all see this? So I tried again to do, you know, the map of Haiti. Listen, I bodied it. Come on, give me credit. This Haitien, femme Haitien ça. Gat ça le fait. Gat ça le fait. Ah. New women? Do you see new women? Women. So I can't wait for this look, to the pictures of this look, because they look amazing. And like I said, you guys, I will do more videos that are challenging, okay? So anyways, you guys, I am doing a raffle. Now the way the raffle is working is I am going to raffle out some makeup, and I'm gonna do this throughout my whole time on YouTube, on my platform. I'm gonna raffle because I want to raise money. So right now we're raising money for nurses. There is my PayPal down below in the description box where you can just donate $1. You don't even have to, yeah, you could donate whatever it is that you want. So the word for today is femme haïtienne. Femme haïtienne. Look it up, Google it, okay, and put it in the comment section. If you put in the comment section, I have Morphe palettes, eye palettes, and brushes I will give it to who that puts the words of the day. So anyways, you guys, I want to thank you for tuning in with your girl Kay. You know, representing all my Zoes, all my Jamaican, Caribbean, those from the UK. It don't matter. We are brothers and sisters. Yeah, thank you. Share, comment. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know. But yes, I'm about to go dance some compa. All right, talk to you later.